Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I meant to do some unboxings last night when I got home, but I just was so tired I couldn't do it. So I was supposed to get so much stuff while I was at work, but technically I got this low attic box. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys what I got in my box. Remember, today is the last day of what's it called? My giveaway going, and I'm hoping that my other giveaway comes in. It has not yet, unfortunately, just because of what's going on in the world, and it just makes it 10 times worse just because I have to wait for it. Alright, so normally I would get a card, but I didn't. So Glow Attic box, comes in a really super cute box. So I'll just show you the items that I get, that I have gotten for this box. So I got 5 items. Normally I think it's like 4 to 5 items, or like 5 to 7 items. I don't remember. It just depends on the month and stuff. And I believe Glow Attic is like $18.99. I'll have to double check on that. So, yeah. Ooh. That smells, actually really does smell like coffee. So it's CBD coffee lip scrub. And this is what it looks like. And it really, yeah, it does smell like coffee. I don't know. I feel like they just put coffee grounds in this little thing right here. But yeah. My next thing is this very nice looking beauty blender. I do like beauty blenders, so it's gonna be kind of nice to be able to try a new one out. I don't know what the brand is. It was literally just laying in the box like that. So it's like a velvety feel, so yeah, it's kind of nice. It smells funny, like it smells bad. Alright, so I got the lower lift, 6 varieties, 9 combinations. There's a brighten and tone tap, calm, rejuvenate and firming, which is hydrate, and sebum and exfoliation, which is tip of nose. So this is firm and release. So I mean, I guess, oh, so I got the firm and release mask, but I guess there's many combinations of the masks that you get. So yeah, this is by J.J. Young, or J.J. Young by Caroline Lab. So excited to try that. Maybe I'll try to do a skincare video. I haven't done those in many, what seems like a long time. Let's see. Whoops. I got some lashes. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Premium 3D Fox Mink False Eyelashes. They look nice. Oh, they're soft too. So this is what they look like. It's really cute. I don't do a lot of fake eyelashes, but I will try them every now and again. Just depends on how I feel. So maybe a makeup video, I'll try that. Alright, so my last item is an eyeshadow palette. And it is Medusa's Makeup Eyeshadow Palette Electro. So let's see how this is, what this looks like. Oh, yeah, it's not that bad. So it comes with a little mirror, and then here are the really pretty colors. Pretty bright. Ooh, and they're nice and soft, kind of. They look a little powdery, but I mean, it's just on the finger. But here are the 3 shades that I don't know. So, I mean, seems like a little bit of a disappointing palette, but I will give it a try. I feel like I have many colorful palettes. But that is all I have on this unboxing, which I feel bad. I'm going to do a makeup video, but I just have like I don't know. I feel like I need to, like, I didn't do much anything yet. I'm really tired though. But yeah, I'm so upset though. I should have gotten so much stuff today. And I feel like my next giveaway isn't coming in till like Monday or Tuesday. That's what it says. So I don't know how that's gonna work. But I guess I'll just figure it out when it comes. I mean, you guys had kind of seen a giveaway. One of the giveaways at least. But I don't know. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and comment on my video. I appreciate any of that. If you guys have any questions about any of the products or the subscription, let me know. I would love to tell you guys more about it. It's a really good company. Doesn't have as high brands as like BoxyCharm or Ipsy, but it is a good company to be able to start accumulating your eyeshadow palettes, or I think they also have a skincare box. I'm not sure yet. Also, I did do a new subscription. It's not makeup, but it is a book of the month. I did get Untamed. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I will be back on here to do a makeup video, so I will see you guys soon. I'm going to load this up and kind of relax some. I'm kind of tired and my hair is a mess, so maybe a shower. Like, look at all the ringlets I have. I got so much ringlets. I don't know. I put mascara on this morning and I kind of doofed on it. Yeah, but I will see you guys soon. I don't know what I'm going to do yet with makeup, but I'll figure something out. Have a good day, guys.